Hi everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to analyze form submission data in Hubspot. Understanding this data is crucial for businesses of all sizes because it helps optimize marketing strategies and improve customer interactions. First, open your browser and head over to hubspot.com. Log in with your registered email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot homepage. This is your central hub for managing tasks, insights, and tools, and it sets the stage for everything we'll do next. From here, go to the Marketing tab. HubSpot's intuitive interface makes it easy to find the tools you need. Now, select the Forms section. This is where all of your form submissions are organized in one place, giving you a clear overview of your leads. Next, click on the Analyze button. This opens a detailed dashboard filled with submission metrics, showing you how customers are interacting with your forms. Take some time to look for patterns, like when people are most likely to submit forms or how many complete them fully. These insights can directly connect to your marketing efforts, helping you refine your approach. It's a good idea to make form analysis a regular habit. Doing so helps you uncover audience preferences, spot trends, and continuously improve your campaigns. And that's it. You now know how to use HubSpot's form analysis tools effectively. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your future marketing strategies.